One of my little buddies I just scared off for a minute, a little squirrel on the roof. My cat likes listening to him. I know you guys, scare you off just for a minute. I made these little bird and squirrel feeders of fly. I felt it pretty well. I gotta never get back to the big ducks and geese, or they're gonna follow me up to the danger zone. So danger zone because this is where the coyotes can sneak them good. Come right around the house. I've seen it happen before from the window. It's not too fun to watch. Scare them off, of course, the coyotes once I see them, but they're so fast.